Here we are at the Congress Plaza Hotel. This is a famously haunted room, just as to see I am not bullshitting. It's 445, this is 441. This room, if you search on AI, it's the most haunted hotel room in Chicago. And I'm not just here, I'm staying in it. There's a closet. Here's the room. Is this room haunted? We stayed here 3 nights. Kind of. The first 2 nights we didn't hear anything. The last night, we heard some sort of breathing sound coming from over here. We didn't hear it the other 2 nights. It's kind of weird. I did not get that on footage. I should have. And I also heard a footstep come from the side of the room at the very last night. It sounded something like this. There might be a rational explanation for that. I'm not really too sure. But there's a coffee pot. Here's the bathroom. The shower was good. They have soap right there. It's a weird design though. The door doesn't shut, which is I find weird. But aside from that, everything else is good. I was not able to get this to work. I don't know if the ghosts were messing with that or something. TV works fine. It's a very small TV. The only other weird thing about this room is how high the ceilings are. They are really, really high, and there's absolutely no view. So you have to make some sacrifices to see ghosts. But anyways,
and the air conditioning is perfect. It's like too cool.
Right, the AC is great. Anyways, that concludes this room tour, and definitely stay in 441.